Hey there, wonderful community of bloggers, smart businessmen, and visionary entrepreneurs. If you're thinking of hosting your website on Hostinger, congratulations, you've landed on the perfect video that can make your journey smoother and more affordable. Today I'm excited to present two amazing Hostinger discount opportunities. The first is my personal Hostinger referral discount code that instantly gives you a refreshing 20% off on every hosting plan and service. The second is the coupon code DARREL10, which provides a 10% discount between the two. The referral option clearly brings you bigger savings. In this calming yet highly informative video, I'll guide you step by step on how to easily claim that valuable 20% Hostinger discount. You'll find my special referral link waiting for you in the description box, thoughtfully organized by countries in ascending order, along with support for local languages and currencies. Just pick your country and you'll land straight on the official Hostinger website. On the homepage, simply tap on the products and services button in the navigation bar. Here you'll discover an impressive lineup of hosting solutions, and the good news is that my 20% discount is valid across all of them. For this demo, I'll be selecting the web hosting category and proceeding with the reliable business web hosting plan. As you move to the checkout, you'll feel a sense of joy seeing the 20% discount beautifully applied automatically. It's such an enjoyable and useful experience. Quick pro tip: always create and use a completely new email address that was never registered with Hostinger before for the best results. I truly hope this video proves to be not just informative but also inspiring and life changing for your online business journey. It's always heartwarming to share these money saving secrets with fellow dreamers. If this helped you, please show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more practical, enjoyable, and valuable tips. Thank you for being here. Keep building, keep growing.